In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a task in Google Calendar. If you've added a task and no longer need it, or you just want to clean up your calendar, removing it is quick and easy once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and I'll also point out a few tips along the way so you feel confident doing this on your own. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account so you can see your calendar. Give the page a moment to load. You should see your calendar view, which might be set to day, week, month, or another layout. It doesn't matter which view you're using, as long as you can see the task you want to delete. Now, find the task you want to remove. Tasks usually appear slightly differently from regular calendar events. Depending on your settings, they may show up with a small checkmark icon or in a specific section like the tasks calendar. Make sure you're looking at the correct date and time where you originally created it, or check the list of calendars on the left side to confirm that your task's calendar is visible. Once you've located the task, move your mouse over it. To bring up the options for that task, right-click directly on the task. If you're using a trackpad, you can usually right-click by pressing with 2 fingers or holding down the control key while you click. On some devices, you might tap with 2 fingers instead. The key is to open the small context menu that appears when you right-click on the task itself. When that context menu appears, look for the option that says Delete. It may show up alongside other options like editing the task or changing its details, but you want the one that clearly says Delete. Go ahead and click Delete. After you click Delete, the task will be removed from your calendar. In many cases, it disappears immediately from the view you're looking at. If you don't see it vanish right away, try refreshing the page to make sure the change has gone through. Keep in mind that once you delete a single task, it's generally gone from your calendar, so be sure you're deleting the correct one. If you change your mind right after deleting, sometimes you'll see a small undo option appear briefly at the bottom of the screen. You can click that to restore the task if it was removed by mistake. If that undo message has already disappeared, you may need to recreate the task manually if you still need it. That's all there is to it. You go to calendar.google.com, locate your task, right-click on it, and choose Delete. With these few simple actions, you can keep your Google Calendar organized and focused only on the tasks that truly matter.